Friday, August 22nd, 2025, at approximately 2:48 p.m., detectives with the Colorado Springs Police Department's Violent Fugitive Offender Task Force located a vehicle belonging to a suspect who was wanted for first-degree kidnapping, a Class 1 felony. The detectives positively identified the driver of the car as the wanted suspect they were looking for. Detectives began following the vehicle and formulating a plan for peacefully taking the suspect into custody. They also requested backup from the Tactical Enforcement Unit, or TEU, knowing the suspect's history of violent offenses. At about 3:30 p.m., TEU officers observed the suspect in his vehicle parked in front of a home in the 1100 block of Branding Iron Circle, and determined he was alone in the car. As officers contacted the suspect to take him into custody, they identified themselves as police officers, told the suspect that he was under arrest, and commanded him to exit his vehicle. The suspect refused to exit the car and attempted to drive away. Officers used their vehicle to physically block the suspect's vehicle from escaping. Officers issued additional commands for the suspect to exit the vehicle and peacefully surrender. One officer used a 40mm impact round to break the back window of the car to deploy CS gas into the car to gain compliance from the suspect. Officers then observed that the suspect had a gun. Before they could deploy the CS gas, the suspect quickly exited the vehicle, confronting the officers with the gun. At that time, 2 officers fired several rounds, striking the suspect.
Police, you're under arrest! Open the driver door now!
You're under arrest. Exit the vehicle now.
Okay, let's get a 40 up. Get a 40 up. He's saying kill him.
You do not comply. Cole Vannuci, you're under arrest. Exit the vehicle now.
He's trying to
I
drive.
want to use force against you. So we will use force.
Rachel, 40 is loaded in the back. We want a peaceful surrender. He's driving. He's got a gun. I believe it was the barrel of a gun I saw in that mirror. Get some gas in that car. All right, you're under arrest. Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
Here is BWC showing the view of the incident from Officer 2's perspective.
Police, you're under arrest! Open the driver door now!
I am about a 40.
Okay, let's get a 40 up.
Got it.
Yep.
Got it.
Okay.
Get a 40 up. He's saying kill him.
Cole Vannuci, you're under arrest. Exit the vehicle now.
He's trying to
I
drive.
want to use force against you. So we will use force.
Rachel, 40 is loaded in the back.
Yep.
We want a peaceful
Juan,
surrender.
put your car in park. I'm gonna put mine in drive and keep pressure on him.
All right, 40, 40, 40.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. Hey, Sam.
Driving.
Ready?
Yep.
He's got a gun.
He's got a gun.
It's got a gun.
He's got a gun. Door's partially open.
I believe it was the barrel of a gun I saw in that mirror.
Oh, so
Get
you
some
ready?
gas in that car.
Putting gas. Stop. Stay right
Put your
there.
hands up!
Logan, stay right there.
Put your hands up!
Officers then took the suspect into custody and rendered emergency medical care until paramedics arrived. When medical personnel arrived on the scene, the suspect was declared deceased. The gun the suspect was carrying was identified as an airsoft gun, replicating an MP5 rifle. The gun did not have any orange safety indicators. Here is a photo of the gun.